Right, next job, we've got, this was a little sort of conservatory, but badly done. It was all built on these flags here, so we're going to put a new one in. That's the line for the foundation there, and we've got another one here. So we're gonna dig down here, come out 1700, come down here. So we'll get this down to where we need it, and then we can get a concrete pour. But what I normally do is just take it down to the original footings, even though it's only small brickwork. It's not a lot of brickwork going in, just so you know it's right then. No comebacks on it. So we'll get this out and show you the next part. So just getting this concrete in now. Tamping it to pegs, nice and easy, can't go wrong. Yeah, that's that peg there, so you just want it touching that top. Barrow saw in there now, we're done. Back on this little job, concrete's in and set. That's been about 4 or 5 days now since we put that in, so we're just going to spoon this water out, get set up with the trench blocks. I was just getting a mix on now, so once he's done that, I'll start bringing the block over while that's spinning, and then we can get some lines set up and get this. I think it's 2 course of trench block, a course of concrete block, and then a brick. It's a damp course. We did want to get some common in that, but the customer's got a load of brick left over from something else. She said she wants us to use, so we'll probably end up using them. Some engineering brick, I think. So we'll get this out anyway. Right, so got all our lines set up. Well, it's not all. There's a few block left, but pretty much all loaded out with the trench blocks. We'll get rid of these and we'll bring some concrete block in, so we've got some room to work. But that's square off the building. That line there is square off the building. That's parallel off the building, and then you just need to check your diagonals, make sure your diagonals are right, which we've done, and they're bang on, so we know that this is perfectly square, ready for getting all the block work in. And then it's obviously an easier job when it comes to putting a conservatory on it. Because everyone else likes to slag us off and moan, so we do our best to get everything level and square, and then they still moan anyway. But so that's us at the minute. We're gonna have a quick brew now, and then we're gonna get these trench block in, get the concrete block in, and then we can get it ready for floor. There's probably a course of brick, but I think the brick are wet, so I don't know if we'll be able to put them down, but we'll see. We're just banging these trench block in now. I was getting a few down. Everything's nicely squared up. We'll get that up rounding over there. Just gonna bang this in now while I was doing that, and then we can get these concrete block round, set the inside skin up, which is a lot easier when you're using these trench blocks because everything's set up. Just watch how I'll get one of these down. Fucking awkward in these little trenches, but gotta be done. Look at that, beautiful. Knows what he's doing, that lad. So if you look at these blocks, I'll just show you. They have a groove. They have a groove on one end. You can see it on here. That one's been smashed to bits like there. And then you have that slots into them. So I think with these you don't need an actual perp joint, but we always put one on just to neaten everything up and keep things solid, but making sure that the groove sits into the slot like, and then just fill it with mortar. So yeah, that's what we're up to. Last 2 course of brick in there.
Got many of those boys?
About 30.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night.
Alright, that's it. It's up to floor. I'm gonna leave this outside down to concrete it. Just I put concrete going up first work, so I'll leave that to go for a couple of days and then we can put cushioning, sand, visqueen, insulation, all that in there. So see you then. Right, we're back on here now. We're going to get this. It's been a couple of days for that brickwork to go off. Just going to take these flags out and then we can start cushioning all that up to the height we need. Just get it all prepped. Get it all prepped ready for concrete. So we just whacked that then, first layer, and then that's there's a pencil mark in these sections here just so we know where we're going with this crusher. So every couple of inches we'll whacker it so we know it's solid then, but that's our aim there, where we're going with this. Alright, so we're getting this insulation in now. You want your 30mm stuff to go around the edges, stop any cold bridging coming through or any cold spots in the floor, and your sound then. So we'll just get them in now, and then last little bits, visqueen over the top. So no concrete sat on the actual insulation because it rots it, and then we're good to go. Alright, that's ready for concrete now. So we just need a straight edge to go that span, and then we can just tamp it on the way out, get it nice and flat. So yeah, we'll see you on the arrival of the concrete. Alright, just getting the concrete in here now. It's a bit awkward for guys, so we're just gonna tip it in. We're just gonna drag it over and then level it all. Go here again, and then we'll screen it now, mate. Screen. let it go right over the edge, mate, don't matter. Keep going, that's it. Four to the top of that. Go back over here again. Excuse me, there, no. Sweet, yeah. Go again. I need to watch it, that wood's like literally only this long, you know. Tamp it again, mate. Read it again there now. I'll leave that there for now, mate. Sorted. Right, that's that in now. Just going to set up a couple of boards now, a couple of planks and that, just to keep going over this to get it all troweled up nice and neat. Right, so we've left this now for a few hours, so we're just going to give it a final rub, get it all troweled up. So keep the trowel flat. That's it, you want the edge flat. So see how you're pulling the back up?
Yeah, yeah. Wobbly, innit?
Yeah. See how you went there like that there? Right, we're back here now. That's had like a week to go off now, so that's sound. We're going to load out on that. And then we can just walk down the outside here. Just work off the slab. I'm going to set these profiles up. Put a batten on this wall here. Starter ties on. And then get the levels set up so the brick works right. And then we're good to go. So we'll get those set up now. We're getting a few down now. Everything's set up. Just pinning behind that starter tie there. Got a plumb line up wall here. And then off that. Straight down there. And then we're going to do the inside. Get everything off this and then we'll jump on the inside, do that. Probably going to be short of brick.
Okay.
where we're up to. We ran out of, well, we didn't have a lot of brick left, that's all we've got there, so we didn't bother putting another mix on. We got another, they were supposed to come this afternoon but they haven't brought them, so we've set up on the inside now. This is the setup we're going with. We'll wrap the line around that on each side and just tuck behind here again. So we'll get back on with this in the morning, get the rest of it finished, and then we've got the drains to do. We're getting on in here now. As you can see, this is the setup. We've got our plumb line there, our line's running off. All the inside of that profile there has got the marks on it for levels. Just going to slide some insulation in here now. Got it in there, that's all secure at the top, off the fence. So that's going now, it's nice and plumb. So yeah, just a case of getting this in and fill the wall in as you go. Just like to get a few course down on insulation first, because otherwise it starts pushing the wall out. So if you get a few down and just get it straight in there, you're usually alright. So we'll crack on with this now.
We're forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and spice it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you're shy. I like it when you're looking like that. Or shy to find, don't mind my reactions. I like it when you look like that. Don't wanna watch a bugger with a white mouth. Just like it when you're looking at it like no sweets, no rush. Get my attraction. Don't think twice, I'm here for the moment. No, I like it better. I could change, but somewhere better. I'll make it last forever. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me. Why forgetting how to talk? Now I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I've been giving you the worst of me. Give me a second, let me talk. I'm no vegan, agree. I'm off the leash. Go down on your knees. I got PhD. I'm all that you need. Just give me those. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me. But forgetting how to talk. Now I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done,
just going to cover the top of it, it's due some rain, but we've covered all tops and that, all inside done. Just going to do this drain now, sort this drainage out, it's all blocked, so we're going to sort that. Go into that manhole there.